MarkLogic is a powerful multi-model database that allows for simultaneous querying of diverse types of data. Multi-model means you can load different types of data into MarkLogic, such as JSON documents, XML documents, geospatial data, semantic triples, and binary data. You can then query them simultaneously. To experiment with MarkLogic, begin by loading documents using MarkLogic Flux, a command line tool for moving data in and out of MarkLogic. You can download Flux for free from GitHub. Check the description below for the relevant link. Let's say I have a set of JSON documents stored in JSON lines format on my local system, and I want to load these documents into MarkLogic. Using Flux, I can load these documents with this command. Here I am using a Flux import command specific to my JSON data, import aggregate JSON files. There are dozens of other Flux commands for other data types. I'm including where I am loading my data from on my local system, and also a connection string that describes how to connect to MarkLogic. I am loading the data into port 8000, which means Flux will load documents into MarkLogic's default documents database. The username and password used in this connection string are for demonstration purposes only. Please replace them with your own MarkLogic credentials. I am adding permissions to control who has access to my data, and I am also tagging my data with a collection name. This is information about US presidents, so I am tagging them with the label President. When I run the command, Flux loads the data into MarkLogic as separate JSON documents. We can check that the data has been loaded with MarkLogic's Query Console. Use MarkLogic's Query Console application to verify data loading. I can list the documents from the Documents database by clicking Explore. I'm seeing the newly loaded JSON documents with the collection tag applied. I can also see that the permissions for my command were added. Beyond JSON, load other document types into MarkLogic with Flux and start querying documents using MarkLogic's powerful APIs. For further learning, explore Flux documentation and additional resources. You can access these links from the description. Thanks for watching.